Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here, and today we have a special treat for you. Feast your eyes on this. Oh! This is the ELA Evo with the new 916 engine on it. So it is a monster with power. The normal engine on these things is a 914, which is about 115 horsepower. Then we went crazy and put a 915 on them, and that was 141 horsepower. This is a 916, 160 horsepower. It is a wild thing. Okay, so let's take a look inside here, shall we? So, red. By the way, this is for a customer that ordered it custom, and it was delivered into Florida. And Jimmy, my instructor of Jimmy's Wild Adventures, and the owner just flew this thing from Florida to here, across the country. So it is brand new, and it has been on a real cross-country, Florida to California. Inside, we have got a Dynon panel, beautiful Dynon panel, which has traffic and ADS-B in and out, and it is pretty sweet. I like the red color on this. This is candy apple red on this one. Back here we have a little secret window here. What kind of engine is it? Ta-da! The Rotex 916. Crazy horsepower. All right, we have a 4-bladed prop on this. It's not a constant speed. This is a fixed pitch prop. You can get them with a constant speed prop as well, but the customer wanted to be able to fly this under sport pilot rules, and that is fixed pitch prop only. So it's fixed pitch prop, but that should not make too much of a difference on it. All right. And what else on this thing? I really like the color. It's pretty awesome. And so I'm super excited to take it up and kind of see what kind of performance we're going to get. They were telling me that flying here to Florida, that it was crazy on takeoff, like, you know, almost straight up with a wild number between 1,500 and 2,000 feet per minute climb. So it's going to be great. Woohoo!
And Chino Tower, gyro 782, Delta Foxtrot, holding short 26 right for straight out.
Short 782, Delta Foxtrot, Chino Tower, standby, traffic wind.
Standing by. Okay, I've been warned about this thing, about speeds on takeoff, and that engine just putting out way too much power, so I'm kind of going to ease it in a little bit, and then we'll cut her loose and see what it'll do. All right, plane has landed. I'm going into flight mode right now.
So the one in uniform, right turn, Delta on the ground, point 6.
Right turn, Delta, contact ground, 1 uniform.
Gyro 2, Delta Foxtrot, wind 240 at 11, fly runway heading runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, 2 Delta Foxtrot. Rotor's already spinning up, 160, 170, 180.
Sky 3 9 Echo, turn base, traffic parts by arrival, gyro.
190. By the way, this is the spin up at the line technique. A lot of the big airports want you to do this.
Outside the wash.
That way you just pull onto the runway and then it's off you go. 200 the rotor speed.
Another wing up on the right.
210. Off we go.
Traffic.
Woohoo! Whoa! Yeah. Shall we climb? What? Going up. Oh my God. We're climbing about 2,000 feet a minute. I'm gonna level off. I'm gonna back the power down a little bit. Yeah. Okay. We're only at 4,500 RPM, and this thing is still climbing like a monster. All right. Then we better add some more power.
Sky 3 9 Echo, traffic off your left on base over the wash for the parallel runway 1, that's for its gated Cessna.
Wow.
Show 15, size 3 Echo.
All right.
Cherokee 304, traffic follows just ahead and to your right on final over the walk, about a mile and a half.
Man, touchy on that power. Wants to go.
And Chino Tower, 8132 Romeo, left down, 12.
I guess as Joe Rogan says,
Romeo, good afternoon.
let's go!
Call that base,
Chino Tower, did I already pass this someone on short final for 304?
Cherry 304 negative. They're approaching your right wing now.
Traffic in sight 304, thank you.
All right, let's get out of the Delta airspace and we'll kind of goof off a bit. But yeah, this is definitely the Ferrari of gyroplane, so this thing is fast. A lot of power. Let's get some speed up here too. Whoa. All right, 5,000 RPM, and we are doing 100 miles an hour.
Traffic.
Traffic, huh? 700 feet above us. That's kind of nice. And this thing has traffic alert. We are going to drop down.
Maintain 2,500.
Into the valley.
Maintain 2,500. That's 0 Cherry 32 Romeo, contact ground point 6.
Photograph 6 Romeo.
Cherry 4132 Juliet, Chino Tower, standby, 1 arrival.
Standby, Cherry 4132 Juliet.
Gyro 6 Foxtrot, Mike number 2, following a Cessna on a very close in base turn to final.
Traffic.
Or runway 26.
Traffic directly overhead. Don't need to worry about that guy.
Arrival Cherokee.
Okay. Cleared land on 26 right, looking for traffic number 2, 6 Fox Mike.
Air 903 Echo.
Traffic.
Thank you. Traffic there.
Lots of power.
They're lower and behind. Continue the VFR descent to 2,000. Maintain 2,000.
Maintain 2,000 for 903 Echo.
Oop, ducks on the pond. Sorry, ducks. Whoa, up over the trees, yeah. Watch out for the cows.
Traffic.
Cherokee 4132 Juliet, wind 240 at 10, gust 15. This is the upwind being right turn for the north pattern, fly runway heading, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Traffic.
Wow. This thing wants to move.
-3 Echo turn, 10 degrees left to widen out your downwind loop.
10 degrees left, 9-3 Echo.
Direct alcohol base.
What call my way, 152
Bird.
You're all set. Yeah.
Up we go.
To the left, back SoCal departure.
Wow.
Let's head now over to SoCal, check 4132 Juliet.
Chino Tower, 6 Fox Mike. My number 1 to land.
Gyro 6 Foxtrot Mike, affirmative number 1.
6 Fox Mike, good land on 26 left, right.
Dial 39er Echo, base at the washer number 2, following a gyro on a half-mile pond.
Traffic not available.
Traffic not available because we're down 10 feet off the ground.
7 Charlie Alpha, number 2 now following a Skyhawk wing up, turning right base over the wash runway.
Wow, okay, that's pretty cool.
Look for the traffic, 7 Charlie Alpha.
Traffic.
Your 10903 Echo traffic follows at your 11 o'clock and about 3.5 miles on a 3-mile right base coming southbound from the 60 freeway, reporting side to Skyhawk.
1093 Echo's looking for traffic.
Gyro 6, Dr. Mike, down to Delta, right turn Delta on the ground point 6.
Chino Tower, Cessna 3515 Sierra, just departed cable 2100 feet, transition over the 71 to Corona.
35150, Chino Tower, transition approved, Chino altimeter 2980.
2980, transition to 150.
Skyhawk 7 Charlie Alpha, turn direct to wash, please.
Direct to the wash, 7 Charlie Alpha.
Pretty wild. Okay, so if you guys want a high performance machine, this is definitely it.
Negative contact on the traffic.
1093 Echo, roger, traffic follows at your 12 o'clock, moving 1 o'clock, 2 miles on a modified straight in from the north.
1093 Echo, looking.
All right, see if we can land this thing.
Traffic.
Sky 39 Echo, right turn Delta from the ground point 6.
Traffic.
Right turn Delta 1.6, 159 Echo.
Traffic. Traffic.
Nice. Nice machine.
Sky 2 Delta Foxtrot, right turn Delta from the ground point 6.
Right turn Delta to ground, 2 Delta Fox.